Hey guys, and welcome to another video. So today I don't have anything in particular set out, especially for the title. I just want to look cute and I have something in mind. I think I have something in mind. I don't know where I'm going with it. I just want to look cute, so I'm just gonna go with it today. So I'm gonna start now. I've already done my skincare is done. If you want to know what the products are, I'll leave them in the description box below, a little title of what they are. So I'm gonna go in with some primer. This is the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. It does smooth out my skin quite a bit, I think. I'm pretty sure I have noticed a difference. And funnily enough, Makeup Revolution have made the exact dupe of this. So when it comes out, I will happily do a comparison between the two. I think this is my third time wearing it, but I feel like I've noticed a little bit of a difference, especially when it comes to my skin and how smooth it is, and in photos, because you know we're all trying to look cute for our photos and stuff, you know, for the gram, for Twitter, wherever else you want to put them on. I'm going to use these two foundations today. This is the Naked Skin Urban Decay Foundation in 2.0 and Stila Stale Day Foundation and Concealer in 8 Honey. I mixed the two together. This is the main, so think of it as like 95% and 5% this. I just like it because it adds a little bit of warmth into my foundation. Just blending that in with a, I was going to say damp, it's not even damp. This is a dry sponge. Yes, it soaks up all of the foundation, but it gives you fuller coverage. And that's how I kind of like it. Without having a full coverage foundation, it gives you fuller coverage. To conceal, I'm going to use the Gosh High Coverage Concealer in 002 Ivory. This is really light, so I'm only going to put just a tad under my eyes. I usually mix this with a little bit of a pink undertone, but I'm just going to go for it today. Okay, and to set that, I'm just going to use my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Loose Powder in Butter, just to set my under eyes. And then I'm going to use the same powder for the rest of my face as well, just with a fluffy brush, and I'm just going to quickly pat that all over my face. Okay, so I'm going to do my eyebrows with the Revolution Pro. This is the Micro Brow Pencil in dark brown. I'm just going to fill these brows in. I actually need to get a new eyebrow pencil because this is running out soon. Okay, so now using the City Bronzer by Maybelline. I know it's totally hit pan. I'm just waiting for it to fall apart so I can use my new one. This is in medium warm 250. I'm just going to bronze up my face. Just taking that round the hairline. I apply most of it on my forehead. I've got a big surface area here to shade, so I can really go in heavy on my hairline and my forehead because I like to also really bronze up my skin because I am pale as hell. I actually need to fake tan. I'm also going to take some of that and just pat it along my jawline as well. And I create that 3 shape as well. I didn't used to do this, but I kind of like the bronze look now. To contour, I'm going to use the MAC contouring powder in Sculpt. Just going to take some of that. Apply that to my cheekbones, temple, and then forehead, the hairline mostly. I'm going to use the Morphe eyelid primer in Translucent. Alright, so to start with my eyes, I'm actually going to take that same contour powder with a eyeshadow brush. And I'm just going to pack this on first. I'm just going to do one wash of colour. So this is going to go basically all over my eyelid. Okay, so now taking this pan right here, which is actually another contour powder. This is by Makeup Geek and it's called Infidelity and it's in a cool fair. So I'm going to take some of this on another eyeshadow brush and I am just going to pack it on here right at the center of the lid. It's just a little bit deeper than the eyeshadow and a little bit more cooler than what I put on originally. This just adds a little bit of shadow and a little bit of depth into this little look here. Okay, so now taking this Christmas in New York palette, this is by Too Faced. I'm just going to take this shade here called Almond Mocha and I'm just going to apply this to the outer corner of the eyes. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to ruin it with some eyeliner. I don't do wing eyeliners because, you know, you get into the hang of it and then when you stop for a long period of time, they just look gross and you can't make a wing. But I'm going to try my hardest. I'm going to use the Inglot 77 liner. It's really, really old. I just added some Duraline to it. I need to get myself a new one. But I'm just going to try create a winged liner. Okay, so that's the one eye done. Let's go and make another eyeliner that doesn't match. Yes. Okay, now that I've basically messed up the face with the eyeliner, I mean, this eye looks great because I'm left-handed. My left eye always looks great. Let's not go there. Anyways, I'm gonna just tight line on the top with the L'Oreal Infallible Gel Waterproof Eyeliner in black. I'm just gonna put this at the top. Alright, I'm going to use the I Heart Revolution Goddess of Faith highlighter. I'm going to take some of this. I'm going to put that on the inner corner here. I'm also going to put this under the arch of my eyebrows as well. I'm actually going to put brown eyeliner first just to see how it looks on the waterline because I ain't trying to go too deep and dark on the eyes. This is the Maybelline Tattoo Liner in brown. Okay, so I kind of like the brown because I'm going with the brown theme. I'm going to take this pencil down a little bit lower just on the lash line. And I'm going to take a cotton bud and I'm just going to blend this out. Okay, now with Sculpt, which was the first colour that I put on, I'm going to take some of this and I'm just going to blend out this lower lash line here. Okay, so I'm going to use the Pinky Goat Farrah lashes. These are really nice, exaggerated, but not too exaggerated. I'm going to apply these off camera because you don't want to see me shaking like this to put on an eyelash. So, you know, I'm going to apply these and I'll be right back. Okay, so for highlight, I'm going to use the same highlighter I used for the inner corner of my eyes. Just putting that on the high points of my cheekbones. Nose, Cupid's bow, super important for me, and then chin. And then we're going to put another highlighter on. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills loose highlighter in Snowflake. I'm going to take her and just apply this on top. And then nose again. Just in the same place as I put the other highlighter. And then the blush I'm going to use is the Morphe 8C Cool Pro palette. I'm going to take the shade It Girl, which is this one up here. So from the apples all the way back, I like to sweep it like along the cheekbones as well. Okay, so the lip liner I'll be using is the NYX Nude Truffle Lip Liner. Okay, so now I'm going to use the Satin Matte Lipstick by Revolution Pro. This is their new neutral collection. This is in Cashmere. Now I'm going to use the Kiko 3D Hydro Gloss in 20. Okay, so this is the final look. I wanted to look cute. I feel like I achieved that. So yeah, I went with a smoky cat wing, or not smoky cat wing, more of like a brown smoke with a long eyeliner. So yeah, I haven't done eyeliner in a very long time, you can probably tell. But yeah, this is the look. If you guys did enjoy, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.